Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some rain showers across the region this morning. That's going to be the case through much of the day today. And once we move into the late afternoon hours, should see some clearing across the region. Going to see temperatures falling today. Already seeing our high this morning. The temperature's going to be falling throughout the morning into the afternoon hours into the upper 40s by this afternoon, and seeing some cold conditions for our Tuesday. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front that's going to be pushing through today. We have a weak prefrontal trough across the area, and that's going to be continuing in combination of these two, giving us the rain showers across the region today. So taking a look at our current observation, a few clouds around 4,500 feet, broken deck at 5,500, overcast deck at 7,000, some reduced visibilities with the rain showers in the region. Winds out of the west-northwest, 5 knots, temperature 54 degrees, and relative humidity at 97%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see this is infrared satellite imagery, seeing a good amount of cloud cover across the region this morning, seeing that rain shower activity starting to pick up across the area as well. Taking a look at our camera shot off to the south, you can see we do have those rain showers across the region, seeing a good amount of cloud cover as is indicated by the observation this morning. And panning off to the west, you can see starting to see a little bit of low-level cloud cover across the region in the last few minutes, but overall, seeing that mid and upper-level cloud cover with the rain showers in the region. And take a quick look at the radar this morning. You can see it's starting to fill in quite nicely, as we will have a disturbance moving through along that front for this morning into the early afternoon hours. That's going to enhance our rainfall right on the coastline here at Wallops, and that's going to give us possibly about a quarter inch of rainfall for today. And taking a look at the HER model, you can see here rain shower activity moving through, especially picking up around 10 local this morning into this early afternoon hours, and then finally moving off the coast by late afternoon hours, early evening, and we'll see some clearing and some breezy conditions overnight as well. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, this morning high 54, falling to around 50 by noon today, and then continuing to fall in the 40s for this afternoon, and then seeing a low around freezing tomorrow morning. Winds will be slightly breezy once that front does move through, and we'll have rain showers behind that front. So we'll see northwesterly, north-northwesterly winds gusting up to 18 knots today. We'll see rain showers near 100% through the early afternoon hours today. And then we'll see those winds pick up once we see that colder air really start to move into the region, gusting up to 25 to 26 knots for the late evening into the early overnight hours, with an orange for our wind advisory possible for later on this evening into the overnight hours. And we'll see our winds calm down slightly tomorrow morning. That'll allow us to get down near freezing, and then picking back up by 8 local tomorrow. We should see winds near 22 knots by 8 local tomorrow morning. Other than that, we'll see our wind chills tomorrow between 25 and 30 degrees during the morning, so it will be a cold morning across the region. So if you do have any outdoor work, make sure you are preparing for those colder conditions. As far as our terminal forecast, should see some low-level cloud cover built in for around 10 o'clock to noon today, with that moderate rain shower activity possible, maybe down to 700 feet to 1,000 feet. Most models indicating a good amount of low-level cloud cover moving in, so putting that in the forecast today. And then after 1400 local, should see that rain shower activity start to move out of the region. A slight chance until 1600 local, but our best chance of that moderate rain shower will be between 10 and 12 local today. Then we move into the evening hours, going to see that cloud cover start to move out of the region, and just seeing anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions for this evening. And then into the overnight hours, still going to see a good amount of cirrus cloudiness, but overall, seeing those clouds starting to move off the coast. And by tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly sunny skies, just a little bit of cloud cover around 3,000 feet over the bay, the Chesapeake Bay, as well as 25,000 feet off the coast. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, breezy, and cold. A high of only 44 degrees. We'll see those winds gusting near 25 knots as well during the morning into the early afternoon. So wind chills will be in the 30s tomorrow, so we'll feel like winter for our Tuesday. Tuesday night, mostly clear and cold, a low of 27 degrees, so a hard freeze across the region. And then for Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and chilly, only a high of 47 degrees. And going to see lighter winds on Wednesday, so it'll be a bit more comfortable, but about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Today, we'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.